Will AI replace all human employees? When people were asked this question, around 55% said AI will work alongside humans. But 40% said AI is going to replace humans very soon. To see which statement is more logical, I fired my developer friend for 24 hours, and I'm going to build a full-stack app using only AI as a non-tech guy. Let's see, we made a best friend for us, or we are just cooked. So first step, I gave Gemini a senior dev persona. Now it acts exactly like one. And then I'm telling it to start shipping code. Every single line Gemini gives me, I'm just copying and pasting into VS Code. Now, for all my non-tech entrepreneurs like me, VS Code is the software developers use to build apps manually, and I just learned how to structure things. I don't know anything about coding, but let's not make this video any more boring.
Now it's telling me to create a folder first and to name it YT for Writers, and I did exactly that. Next, I told it the folder is ready, and it starts flooding me with code. And here is the first HTML snippet Gemini gave us. Now I'm trying to launch the web app, but it shows an error. Even though it errored out, somehow I can see the page. It says, "Welcome to YT for Writers."
In this video, I'm going to build a full stack app, like YouTube, but for writers, that will solve two problems. Writers can post books, news, and articles in one app, and they don't have to edit videos all day. And bonus, they can earn money from ads and selling books. But the question is, can AI actually do it?
Look at that, it's actually looking like YouTube. I can put the app name here, we've got a search bar, a create button, and a profile icon. But we need to work on those three dots. That's where the menu bar lives. You click them and the sidebar pops out. But we need to fix the look. So I prompted, the UI is not looking good. Use Tailwind and give it a luxurious modern vibe.
And if you don't know, Tailwind is like paint on a house. It decides if your home looks expensive or just crappy. And it changed nothing. So this time I gave it a detailed prompt. Now it's giving me way more code. And look, when you click those three dots, a side menu actually slides out. But the create and profile buttons, still not working. And Gemini gave it a random name. But here's why that doesn't matter. I can change it in the code anytime. That's why I love hybrid coding, so much more than just vibe coding. You have real control. If you want to build an app without learning to code, hit that like button. Comment, I want to learn. I'll show you how. I promise it's a peanut for entrepreneurs like you. Anyway, I told it to give me a YouTube-style interface, and it definitely turned into YouTube. But did you notice? It has actual book titles, Psychology of Money, Atomic Habits. It even displays the read counts. I liked that, but we're not building YouTube. We want YouTube for readers. But one thing I loved, it added a category section. We still need to change the home look so it can look like a bookstore. And there it is, but there is still a problem. If there are no writers, there is no content for the app. And no content means no users. So now I need to build profiles for writers, a place where people can post content and get followers.
Now look at that. I changed the whole homepage where people can post books, news, blogs, and just a chill tweet. And if you look into the store section, the book stall is still there. Have you noticed Gemini wrote why AI will not replace humans? Do you agree with this? Comment right now. But I've noticed the home section is looking so messy. So I added three things on the sidebar: news, article, and post, like Twitter, or X. Now, after some changes, when you click on the home button, you see every post. And when you click on the shop button, you can see all the books and PDFs with a buy button, and so on. Look at that. Elon Musk just deleted X and tweeted on my app. By the way, Elon, I know you are my fan watching this video. If you want to buy this app, email me. Now, let's empower all the visionary writers with a profile. And here it is. It has everything, I guess. If something is missing, you can let me know in the comments. Oh wait, look at that. I have 12.5K followers already. One of them is Elon Musk. You also subscribe. Okay, let's add a page where we can edit our profile. Gemini is giving the code. Still giving. Okay, it's done. Let's see how it's looking now. Okay, it has a name section, username, categories, and many more things. But does it work? No, the save button is not working, so we need to fix it. So I asked Gemini to fix it, and Gemini is giving more code. Now, let's change everything and see if it works. It says, profile updated successfully, and it looks like nothing has changed. Now I connected it all together, and let's see if it works. Okay, seems like it's working. The name and the username have changed. Also, the About section has changed.
But there is a problem with AI. When you add one thing, AI removes many, so you need to take care of this. And now, to wrap up the profile UI, I need to add an upload manager, where I can edit or delete my posts. And here it is. And that's it for the profile section, I guess. Or if I am missing something, of course, tell me in the comments. But wait, we are missing something. Oh yeah, the upload section. We haven't changed the upload section. So I told Gemini, and Gemini is coding. Let it finish. So we are done, I guess. So now if you click on the Create button, you see 4 pages: Post, Books, Articles, and News section. We need to customize each and every section now. Now let's see what Gemini has done with the book upload section. It has a book cover section, that's great, and has other normal things, but one problem. It does not have so many genre options. We need to increase it. Oh, and the main thing it forgot. There is no book upload section. Like where to put the PDF or doc file. Wait, let me show you. Look at that. I added 2 things, a lot more genres, and the section to upload files.
Now, let's work on the article section. Look at that. Now we have an environment for bloggers. Now people don't need to make their own website to write a blog. And look at that. It also has a category section and a tag section, and the most important one, the SEO section. If you are a blogger, you know how important this is. At last, the news section. It has a headline section, subheadline, and a cutie pie breaking news button. I don't know why I'm saying cutie pie, but you get my feeling, right? And we added the most important part most reporters ignore, the source section, where reporters can add their sources. And lastly, what type of topic they are posting. Now our MVP app, the prototype, is ready. Let's check what we have just made. I have been making it for around 5 hours now. We have a homepage where you can see everything. I think it's looking a bit messy, but if you think it's messy, I will change it. Otherwise, let me keep it like that. Now, if we click on the click button, we have 4 sections. First, tweet your thoughts, so I can replace Elon Musk's X. Then the book section, where people can write a history book about how I bought Elon Musk and his X. Then we have an article section, where people can write articles and blogs without any pain of making a website and getting monetized. And last in the list, the news section, where news reporters can write how Elon is feeling after being bought.
Now, here is the final prototype. That used to take a developer a full month to build, but I built it in 5 hours. So, what do you think? Will AI replace humans? Comment your thoughts. But if you ask me, I would say AI is still not there yet. Let me explain why. As a non-tech person, I can make the app, but if a hacker attacks me, I can't do anything. There, I definitely need a developer to protect my app. But always remember one thing, the car didn't replace the human driver, but other humans who drive the car replace the horse driver. You can use AI to do all the boring stuff. If you don't learn AI, then someone will replace you. So if you don't want to be replaced, comment now. I will make you irreplaceable. And don't forget to subscribe and like.